update. Update. Morning update for our blizzard. Don't know if you guys can hear me. The wind is pretty howling still. I'll switch this around, guys. As you guys can see, snow drifts. Cars are buried behind snow drifts. There's my back step from last night, guys. You can see how much snow we got. Sorry about the wind. Just one big drift right there. Let's see if I can get you over here. My neighbor's car buried. Said step. Oh, that was the spot I slipped in last. Snow drifts behind the cars. I fall down into the snowbank. There, as you can see. Let me take you over to this one. So, you guys can guess what that is. That is my neighbor's car. So, today, expecting a little bit more winds. When our temperatures dipping down to minus 29 tonight. It's gonna be a cold one, guys. You guys all are warm and safe. Like I said, there's some bare spots, but it's mostly the drifting and the winds that are happening right now. So, on that note, guys, I'm cold. I'm going in.